recently we've been testing some weather-sealed lenses and doing stuff to them that you generally shouldn't be doing, like pouring lots of water over them. And that got some people asking, how tough are their kit lenses? And what should they do to keep it in pristine condition? Well, we're not exactly the best people to ask, but here's our 5 top tips on what you shouldn't do to your kit lens.
Top 5 things you shouldn't do to your kit lens. Starting with number 5. Kit lenses don't survive very well in the freezer.
Lovely. Kit lens ice lollies.
Number 4. It might happen in an accident, but dropping it doesn't do any wonders for your kit lens.
Oh, butterfingers.
Coming in at number 3. It might make your lens tastier, but don't try to season it with salt and other stuff.
Right. Oh, Scheiße. Sorry, German viewers. I suppose round objects generally don't stay still. Alright. Yeah, I feel like Jamie Oliver. Pucker. Ow! Got cut. Yeah, a sprinkle bit of salt on there. Yeah. Yeah, a bit of sea salt here, yeah. Oh, I'll tell you what. With a bit of sea salt, what you need is... oh, bit of cracked black pepper. Alright. Yeah. Cool, blimey, governor. Let's go up the apples and stairs. And a bit of rosemary, bit of herbs. Yeah, oh yeah, lovely. Oh, mix it about. Like this, like that. Oh. It's great. 5 minutes in the oven, that'll do. It's stuck at 18mm. So now it's officially an 18mm prime. And it's stuck at some aperture, probably f8 or something like that.
And number 2, just missing the top spot. Well, everybody likes the odd drink, but it's not an L lens, so it's not beer proof.
Oh, let's have a drink. I missed it. Oh, I think I missed the jar a bit. Look, do you want a drink? Do you want a drink? Drink. Come on, more. This not a cup. Yes. Oh, no. Drink. It's everywhere.
And here it is, the ultimate, number 1. Don't use any flammable liquids to clean it because it might catch fire.
Oh, Steve, what happened? Oh! Jesus, what's going on? God! It's like... Oh! No! Oh! Shit! Oh my God! It's like we're having a barbecue. Oh! Oh! The real element's on fire.
So, I advise to keep your kit lens in pristine condition. Don't freeze it. Don't drop it. Don't pour salt all over it. Definitely don't pour beer over it. And of course, don't let it catch fire. Actually, you shouldn't do any of this to any real lenses. Please do not reenact any of the stunts seen in this video. They were 100% cunning stunts, done by people who are familiar with doing stunts. We strongly discourage random wasting of brand new function products. The extreme demo in this video was done solely for the purpose of demo. Honest.